Welcome to Home of Math, our topic pattern. Here we are seeing some pattern or like some triangle. Our first question, draw the next shape. Second, find the n term for the number of lines. And third, find the number of lines in the 99th shape. Look, here is we like to write something. Here is, look, how many line? This one is 1 2 3. This is the first picture and line is 3. Okay. Second, here is 1 line, 2 line, 3 4 5. So here is 5. Next, this one is second picture. Third one, here is 1 line, 2 line, 3 4 5 6 7. Here is 7. And here is again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So here number of line is 9. So we can write here 3 5 7 9. Okay, draw the next shape. So this one I like to do as a visualize. Let's see. Look, this is our 4 picture. We can mention here 1 2 3 4. Our question was find the next shape. Look, this one is our first one where line number of line is 3. Then second picture, this one, here is 5. Once we complete third one, we got 7 line. Once we complete number 4 picture, we got 9 line. And finally next shape, this one, here is 11. Okay, so the sequence is 3 5 7 9 and 11. Hope you understand this one. So number A done. A done. This is our what? Next shape. Next shape is this brown color. So second one, find the n term for the number of lines. So we already mentioned the sequence is 3 5 7 9 and 11. So look, number B, n term, but we have to find out the first term. First term. First term means 1, and we have to find out the difference between each term. First term is 3, second term is 5, third term is 7, fourth term is 9 and fifth term is 11. So look, this 3 and 5 difference is 2, 5 and 7 difference 2, 7 and 9 difference 2, 9 11 difference 2. So for first term 1 difference is 2, we multiply by 2 and plus 2 times 1, it means 2, and we need 1, then we will get 3. This is 3. So second term means 2 into difference what? 2. We add 1. Look, 2 times 2 means 4, 4 plus 1 means 5. Similar, third term. Third term means 3 into difference is 2 plus 1. What will come? 3 into 2 means 6, 6 plus 1 means 7. This is 7. So we can easily find out the n term. Nth term. Term number n, so we will write n, multiply by difference which is 2, then plus add 1. So n term is 2n plus 1. This one we can say arithmetic sequence. Okay, hope you understand this one. And our first one and second one done. Third one is find the number of lines in the 99 shape. So see, 99th term line is, look, 99 difference is 2 plus 1. So 99 times 2 means 198 plus 1 means 199. So look, here is first, second, third, fourth. Once we go to 99 terms, we need 199 lines. Okay, this is not complex math, this is very easy. Just we have to keep concentration what need in question. Look, this video is also suitable for math course around the world like KS3, GCSE Foundation, GCSE Higher, and all your course. Thank you very much being with me. Don't forget subscribe the channel.